I am Dr. O.P. Gupta. I am Senior Consultant at Aster Eye Care, Tagore Garden. Among all the specialties in medical sciences, ophthalmology has seen most rapid advances in last few decades. One and foremost of them is cataract surgery. Basically, cataract is an opacification in the media of the lens. All of us have been provided a natural lens in our eyes which due to various reasons get opacified, either maybe due to age factor, either because of uncontrolled diabetes or trauma or some medicines which patients use for long term. Cataract surgery has advanced a lot in few decades. It was in 1949 when Sir Harold Ridley invented intraocular lenses which are implanted nowadays after cataract surgery. Before this time, cataract surgery was a very basic rehabilitative type of surgery in which no intraocular lens was implanted in the eye and patient had to depend fully on very thick glasses for his vision after the surgery. Today we have a variety of intraocular lenses available with us, with all the ophthalmologists, and they serve different purposes. In India, most common intraocular lens implanted is monofocal lenses. By monofocal lenses, we mean that patient will get vision for distance and for near he has to depend on his glasses. This is monofocal lenses. But now with increased life expectancy, people are now leading very active life till date. Now with increase in life expectancy in our country and all over the world, people are active very leading life, even until late. Intraocular lenses which we implant after cataract surgery are of various types. Normally we tell about all the lenses to the patient and they have to choose which lenses they want to get implanted. Like there are monofocal lenses, there are multifocal lenses, there are accommodating lenses, there are toric lenses, there are implantable contact lenses which they are not implanted after cataract surgery but they are suited for high myopia cases. For them now monofocal lenses, accommodating lenses are available which give very crystal clear vision not only for distance but for intermediate as well as near also. Although they are a bit costly, they are premium lenses, but they give very excellent vision to the patient, and the patient has not to depend on glasses for his near vision. Another interesting invention in intraocular lenses in cataract surgery is toric lenses. Many patients they have astigmatism, that is they have cylindrical power in their glasses. Today patient expects that after surgery his specs should go off. But those people who are having astigmatism, who have cylindrical power in their eyes, with plain multifocal or monofocal lenses, we cannot eliminate the cylindrical power. For them, very new thing, very interesting thing is toric lenses. By toric, we means that there is, along with spherical power, there is cylindrical power also available in the lenses. And this has to be customized for every patient. We have to order a special lenses with specially designed cylindrical power in that. With that we can eliminate the cylindrical power also. Although a small amount of cylindrical power like 0.5 or 0.75, we can eliminate small cylindrical power with proper selection of incision site also. But cylindrical power more than 1, 1.5 etc. patient will need toric lenses if they want freedom from glasses after surgery for distance vision. At Aster Eye Care, we are offering all these various lenses to our patients to give them very precise, crystal clear and satisfying vision to them.